First of all, Taylor Swift, she is in town, and we did not buying her ticket, and we rather preferred to come here. That is a big, big decision you made. So I think you should clap for yourself because you spared your time. And also, this is your family time. So you came here, and you are going to spend another 2 hours here. So I think if you are getting something out of this session, then it is a good decision for you. And we will try to give you something in terms of education which can help you to make a better and well-informed decisions. So I'm just putting the title, Money Matters One-Stop Shop. So we are covering everything which is around your money matters. Either it's a legal matters, property development matters, or financing matters. I will be only covering taxation areas. Yes. First thing first, this will be just a generic information. We are not giving you any financial advice whatsoever. And we will try to give you as latest information as possible. So nonetheless, it is not a financial advice. My profile, I'm ex-EY, currently managing firm SaqCh+Partners Chartered Accountants. You can scan this barcode and you will reach to our website page, and you can just have all the social details. Next one, please. Okay, what is your objective to come here today? What do you think? What is your objective?
Money matters.
Money matters, okay. No, like more specific.
Tax saving.
Tax saving, okay. What else?
Retirement plan.
Investment in property, okay. What else?
SMSF investment.
Self-managed super funds, okay, yes. What else? Sir?
Getting rich.
Getting rich, yeah. That is the goal for everyone. So we'll try to give you bit information on that as well. Okay, what I put on the slide is our first key objective is to give you a bit of education about the financial independence, how you can be a financially independent person. So we'll guide you through. And then we're talking about the legal issues, taxation issues, and finance issues. And then the opportunities. What are the opportunities available? Next slide, please. Okay, I found this slide very interesting, and it is giving you a pyramid of success, how to be a financial independent person. All of you would be somewhere at this ladder. Some people who are just moving from other countries as immigrants or a student on student visas, they are at the very first level here, maybe, survival stage. And most of you are already at a place where you are just trying to stabilize yourself in terms of financial independence. So here today, we will be helping you to smooth and fast track that journey. Next slide, please. Okay, economic outlook, Saqib Manzoor will be talking about all these factors in a lot of detail. I'll be only touch base here. Stage 3 tax cuts, tax is going down next year. So you will be having some sort of a saving, which we'll discuss in detail. Inflation is easing out. It is approaching 4%. Interest rate is expected to go down. So this is a backdrop. This is the economic condition currently. So all my fellow participants and the presenters, they will be talking about each and every aspect in this backdrop. So I will be talking about the taxation. Next. Okay, I'll be talking about a case study, a person who is making X amount of money, and how much tax he is paying, and how he can minimize that position. So that is a case study. I'm calling that gentleman Mr. Proactive, like you guys, all proactive, where you want to learn something new. So a proactive guy has a wife and 2 kids, a small family, He's making 180 grand income a year. And on that 180 grand, he is paying $55,000 tax. So that means effectively you are working 1.5 days of a week just for ATO. First Monday and a half of Tuesday you are working just for ATO. And rest, then 3.5 days you are working for yourself. That is the money which is going into your pocket and for the well-being of your family. So we need to minimize that amount which is going to ATO by implementing the strategies which is as per the legal framework. Okay, next please. Okay, the best way to do this is to have a comprehensive tax planning. So you need to know, and your accountant is the best person to tell you what are the strategies available as per your circumstances, as per your family situation, as per your other surrounding, like the factors which is impacting you. Okay, next please. I'm pitching a few strategies here, which is a very broad strategies. It is a generic strategies which can help you. It might fit to your circumstances, or it maybe for some people, all the strategies are very much relevant to you, and for some, few are relevant for you. So I will be discussing these one by one. Yes. Next. Yeah. Okay. The first strategy is all the employers they give you salary and they also give you a salary packaging options. Salary packaging option is any money which is which you can spend from your take-home salary. You can ask your employer to spend that for you. Like for example, if you want to buy a laptop or any other equipment which is relevant for your work, you can ask them to buy for you, and you can ask them to pay from your salary. They can deduct from your salary and pay it. In that way, that money actually has been paid pre-tax, and you are not paying any tax of that. So effectively, you are saving some money. The money which your employer is paying, actually it is going out from this 180 grand. So that means the tax would be applied on the amount which is after that payment which has been made. And for some employers, especially the employers who are non-profit organizations or NGOs, if you are the employee of such organizations, they can even give you the rental payment or mortgage payment can be made out of your pre-tax salary. Because in that case, they are exempt from fringe benefit tax, which is another type of taxation. So non-profit organizations, they are exempt from FBT. And they can pass that benefit to their employees. Otherwise, your mortgage payment or rental payment, that is not tax deductible. But if it is paid through your employer from your pre-tax salary, then it is tax deductible, and that will save you a lot of money. So this is the first thing which can help you to minimize your tax bill. The second thing, second strategy could be the contribution which you can make to your super fund. And if, for example, if you don't have any house, you don't have any primary house, and you are making a contribution to your super fund, first of all, that is tax deductible in your tax return. And also, if you want to buy a first home, that money can be withdrawn from your super fund with all those related terms and conditions. Those are there, but so you can withdraw that money for your first home deposit. So that is the second strategy that can help you if your circumstances allow you can take that route and you can save some tax. And finally, if possible, if your circumstances allow you, you can have a business instead of doing a full-time job. Start your own business. Some people, they can do, if you're in the IT industry, you can start doing a contracting. And again, you have to comply with all those related terms and conditions and laws. So if you apply these strategies, you can save some amount of taxation. I'm just giving you a rough example. Originally, this gentleman who was making 180 grand of taxation, he was paying I assume that his work-related deductions are $3,000, so he is paying $54,000 taxation. When I'm applying first strategy, which is to pay something from your pre-tax salary, I assume two items here. And one is roughly $10,000 towards the payment of your equipment or other related items. And I also assumed that that gentleman is working in a non-profit organization. In that way, he can also pay a part of his rental expense out of his pre-tax salary. So if he can do that, he can bring his taxable income to 152, and he is saving $9,000 taxation. So this is only one strategy which can help you to bring your taxable income down, and you are better off having a $10,000 extra in your pocket. Second strategy, which is just a contribution, your personal contribution towards your super fund. So if you are making a $7,700 additional super contribution, so you are saving roughly 30% of that as a tax refund. And the fourth strategy, what was that? Yeah, that was negative gearing. I will explain on that. If you are having an investment property, and that investment property is generating less income as compared to expenses, so that is also tax deductible in your tax return against your any other income. So if I'm applying that strategy, that will save me $3,900. And finally, if we are starting a new business, and if your circumstances are in such a form that help you to start either a trust or a company, then that will be a big saving for you, because a lot of expenses which is otherwise not tax deductible, that is tax deductible when you are doing your own business. So that will be a big saving if you are starting your own business. And ATO is also, and overall Australian economy is also supporting small businesses to save, they can save for themselves, because they are the cash cows. They are generating employment. A small business, they are generating employment. So I will take a few more minutes. And that's why they are helping a lot of small businesses so they can flourish. And even you have noticed while COVID, Australian government supported the small businesses a lot so that they can survive and they can keep their staff intact. So when you are doing a small business, mostly your benefits will come from your business structure. Your legal structure, either a sole trader or company or a trust, that will help you to minimize your tax. So you need to consult your accountant so that you have a better and the best structure which suits your needs. Small businesses have, currently there is a deduction which is called business digital adoption. If you are doing that, you are adopting new technology, that will help you to boost up your expenses. Like 20% additional expense you can deduct from your income. And finally, there will be a capital gain tax benefits for small businesses, which is quite significant. And finally, small businesses, they can capitalize on government incentive in form of the grants. Currently, there is a minimum viable product venture grant is available for small businesses, like especially for the startups. So which is between $25,000 to $50,000, and applications are closing on 30th of April. We can help you to, analyze your situation, and that can be a big cash inflow for your business. Then there is a R&D tax incentives, which is 43.5% of tax is a tax offset. If you are in that space, that can help you to improve your overall cash flow. And if your business is exporting services overseas, you can get up to 30%, $30,000 in the form of cash incentive from authorities, which can help you to cover your advertising expenditure. And if you want to know more about the grants, there is a link. So there will be a lot of grants available for different industries. And any money coming from authorities, and that will help you to boost your position. So this is all from me, from my side. If you have any question, you can ask now, or we can have it later at panel discussion. Thank you very much.